Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix battery draining fast in Samsung Galaxy A17, A37 or A57. If you're using Galaxy A17, A37 or A57 and you're facing the issue that your battery is draining fast, so let's see some possible fixes for this. So the very first thing you can try, you just have to go ahead to your settings here. And now once you are in settings, make sure that you're connected to the internet using your Wi-Fi or cellular data. Then go back from here, go to software update, and make sure that your phone having any pending software update. It might be if your phone having pending software update, it fuels your internet and access your some permissions in background. So I recommend to check for your software update here. And once I've checked for your software updates, just go back, scroll in the control center, and make sure that you have disabled all the unnecessary features from your like your Bluetooth, cellular data, your auto rotate, or your Wi-Fi calling. If you're not using any feature from here, so you can disable that. If you're not using your Wi-Fi itself, so you can also disable it. Then go back from here. Once I've done, go to your battery settings here. Very first, click on this view details option to get an overview or analysis of your battery usage, like which I'll be using more battery in your phone. So I haven't used my phone on today, so I have nothing to show here, but you might have your battery usage here, so you can get a preview that which app is using most battery, so you can manage that app. Like if your app is using more battery, so you can disable the background usage. So we'll go to the next step. So I will also tell you how to disable background usage. The very first thing here, go to the power saving. You can also enable power saving mode, enable this from here, and I recommend you how to set on standard to get these benefits, like it will limit your CPU speed up to 70%, decrease your brightness, set motion smoothness to standard, dark mode it will be enabled, and your screen timeout will be up to 30 seconds here. Then go back. If your phone have AOD like always on display, so you can also go to display settings and disable your AOD, and you can also enable the adaptive brightness from here, and you can select dark mode instead of light mode, because your dark mode can use less battery than your light mode. Once I have done, just go back and now go to battery again here. Go to battery information. Make sure that your battery is normal. Sometimes it might be that your battery is dead or almost dead or physically damaged, or battery is not working as well, so it will also damage your phone. So I recommend you have to change it with a newer battery, or you can also go ahead to your settings here, scroll down to apps here, and if you find any suspicious app, like if you're not using any app but you find that in your in our section, so you can also try to disable that, or you can also try to uninstall that. Or if I also recommend you have to clear cache of some of your apps, especially social media apps. That's how I'm going to select WhatsApp here, and here go to storage, and here just clear storage or clear cache. You have to clear cache, so it will clear all the junk files and temporary files of your app. Or you can also go ahead to your app settings here, and you may see the manage app if unused. Enable this from here, so it will not allow your app to access your permissions in background, like your media permissions, your microphone permissions, your camera permissions. So it will not allow your app to use your permissions. So once I've done, your issue might have been fixed. Once I've done all of these, go to your Play Stores, go to this profile icon here, go to App Store or Manage Apps and Devices. Click on Updates or Pending Updates here, or check for updates or all apps up to date. Here you must see the option if you haven't any pending updates. Once you have done all of this, scroll down, click on this power icon, click on restart, and then click on restart again. So it will make a restart with your device. And once you have restarted, your device will have uh, a refresh. Now, after restarting the device, you can easily use your phone without an issue like that. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.